sealed with a kiss. Drummer please. Dun 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 dun. Isn't it great? Oh my God. EXO. Wow. Look at what we have today. It's sealed with a kiss. Thanks, WowWee, for sending us these. Now let's open this. Look at, there's a little love note. It's sealed with a kiss for S.W.A.K. Guys, best of all, it came with confetti! Let's check it out. Wow! Some 2 kisses and a pineapple kiss. So this is what we got. This is how you turn them on. It says ooh la la. Let's see this one. Just turn it on. Ooh, that was nice. So, I like this one better, but I like this one the best, really. So let's open it. So this is Tropical Kiss, sealed with a kiss. Comes with a postcard and sticker and kiss. Let's get the kiss. Let's open it. Kiss postcard. Ooh. It says sealed with a kiss. Wow. XOXO. I'm gonna put the sticker on this. I'm gonna put it on the little blank spot. Guys, it looks like a stamp and I like it. Let's try this Tropical Kiss keychain out. I like these. One more. I would like these if they came out of the package more. It sounds very tropical. You can take off the keychain part if you just want the mwah kiss. Bye.